Your front door is more than just the entrance to your home. It's the first impression visitors have of your space and an essential part of your home's security and energy efficiency. When it comes to choosing a new door for your Mesa, Arizona home, homeowners are often faced with two options: standard doors or custom doors. While standard doors may seem convenient and cost-effective, custom doors offer numerous advantages that make them worth the investment. In a city like Mesa, where extreme heat and unique architectural styles are common, choosing the right door is crucial. Here's why opting for custom doors over standard doors is the smarter choice for Mesa homeowners. Tailored to your home's style, one of the biggest benefits of custom doors is that they can be designed to fit your home's specific architectural style and aesthetic. Whether you have a modern home with clean lines or a traditional Southwest-style home with rustic elements, a custom door can be created to complement your property's unique design. Standard doors, on the other hand, come in predetermined sizes and limited styles, which might not suit the character of your home. Custom doors allow you to select materials, finishes, and details that match the overall look of your home, creating a cohesive and polished appearance. You can choose from a wide range of wood types, metal finishes, glass options, and hardware to ensure that your door perfectly reflects your personal taste in your home's style. Enhanced durability and weather resistance. Mesa's hot, desert climate means that your doors are exposed to intense sunlight, high temperatures, and occasional storms. Standard doors may not be built to withstand these harsh conditions, leading to problems like warping, fading, or cracking over time. Custom doors, however, are designed with Mesa's climate in mind. When you opt for a custom door, you can select materials that are more resistant to heat and UV rays, such as fiberglass or steel, or wood species treated to resist weathering. Custom doors are also built with superior craftsmanship, ensuring a tighter fit and more durable construction that will last longer and require less maintenance compared to standard options. Improved energy efficiency. In a place like Mesa, where air conditioning is essential for much of the year, energy efficiency is a top priority for homeowners. Custom doors are typically more energy efficient than standard doors because they are built to fit the exact dimensions of your entryway. This precise fit helps prevent air leaks, ensuring that cool air stays inside during the summer and warm air stays inside during the winter. Custom doors can also be equipped with additional energy-saving features, such as insulated cores or energy-efficient glass panels. These features help improve your home's overall energy performance, leading to lower utility bills and a more comfortable living environment. Enhanced security. Your front door is one of the most important barriers between your home and the outside world, so security is a key consideration when choosing a door. Custom doors offer superior security features compared to standard doors. Many custom doors are designed with reinforced materials, advanced locking mechanisms, and thicker frames, making them more resistant to break-ins. In addition, the precise fit of a custom door minimizes gaps that could be exploited by intruders. Whether you want additional deadbolts, smart locks, or security glass, a custom door allows you to incorporate the features that best suit your security needs. Increased home value and curb appeal. Investing in a custom door can significantly increase the value of your Mesa home. Custom doors not only enhance the curb appeal of your property but also add a level of uniqueness and luxury that buyers are willing to pay more for. A beautifully designed, high-quality door can make a strong first impression, setting your home apart from others in the neighborhood. While standard doors may blend in with every other house on the block, a custom door reflects your attention to detail and commitment to quality. This can be particularly appealing to prospective buyers, should you decide to sell your home in the future. Unique features and personalization. With a custom door, you have the opportunity to include personalized features that simply aren't available with standard doors. Whether it's a special type of wood, decorative glass, or intricate metalwork, a custom door can be designed to incorporate elements that are meaningful to you. You can even choose unique shapes and sizes to create a truly one-of-a-kind entryway that reflects your personal style. If you have non-standard door sizes or unique architectural features, a custom door ensures a perfect fit. This is particularly important for older homes or homes with distinctive entryways that don't conform to modern standard door dimensions. When it comes to choosing between custom and standard doors for your Mesa home, the benefits of customization are clear. Custom doors offer superior durability, energy efficiency, and security while allowing you to create a door that perfectly complements your home's style. Though custom doors may require a higher initial investment, they pay off in the long run with better performance, increased home value, and enhanced curb appeal. For Mesa homeowners looking to make a smart, stylish, and long-lasting investment in their home, custom doors are the ideal choice. Whether you're building a new home or upgrading your existing entryway, a custom door offers the perfect blend of function and design to meet your needs.